Omubunge o Fafi sala yakubniga aegereire nkwana yaya igoro yegeka kyobokoreri bumurai wense ya Kenya askeri ataire buna enkwana yaye tiya murengete murai onde bwensi aneno murai wenso bono Dr. William Samuel Ruto na wataona nigo bosiniga kwane tamanganaya kubwatikana na keria omurai wense arabega gokorera abananchi bunenchire moyo koreta magendero imeyense ya Kenya.
In that he came in, we given him only 2 terms. And the 2 terms he have done marvelous. But the constitution removed him, in that he could not go further. But I believe if you could have given him 1 or 2 terms, again, maybe you could have reached the status of Malaysia or Singapore or any other person. So that's why I said, surely is it advisable to remove somebody because of a time limit while he's performing? If you go into the corporate world, the CEO of Cooperative Bank has been there for a long time, but he has not been removed. Why? Because he's performing well, the bank is going well. Go to equity, the same. So these are corporate itself, though it's a state different, but if you are performing well, you should not be removed. Assuming that now the current government, we came in when the government, the economy is at a state we cannot talk of. We cannot implement those of the plan because of the debts and the amount of resources we have. So assume that the president now takes action in implementing his agendas. He has to write up or clean up some of the messes. That might take him 5 years, a term. So he'll only have maybe 5 years again to implement the agenda, so he's talking of. So by 5 years again, you're going to remove him. So I was thinking maybe if we give any president for you to implement your agendas, clean up the mess of the other previous government, or whatever it is, you're given a 5-year term to do that. And then you implement 2 or 2 terms again, you can do something. But I believe 2 terms is not enough for somebody.